Welcome back. Parker's Corporation, which owns convenience stores, is seeking to have the company dismissed from the wrongful death lawsuit filed on behalf of the family of Mallory Beach, arguing that it has no liability.
Parker's is the ownership group of the store where Paul Murdaugh had bought alcohol the night of February 23, 2019. Paul was allegedly operating the boat later that night when it crashed into a bridge, killing Mallory Beach.
Nick Neville was in the courtroom as attorneys for the Beach family and Parker's argued before the judge this afternoon. He has those details tonight.
Attorneys for Parker's argue that it was a legal alcohol sale according to SLED, and all the passengers on that boat that night, including Mallory Beach, knowingly made decisions to get on a boat with a known drunk driver and assume those risks. Mark Tinsley, attorney for the Beach family, says that the sale never should have happened in the first place. Attorney P.K. Shear for Parker's argued before Judge Daniel Hall that all the passengers knew about Paul's propensity to drink heavily.
That dangerous condition being getting on a boat with no lights, no life jacket, on a cold, foggy night with someone who you know has had a history of drinking in excess.
He also says the suit should be dropped because SLED didn't charge the company. Tinsley says that factor is not relevant and would likely not come before a jury in this civil case because it's highly prejudicial. The company denying negligence in the sale as well. Parker says the clerk who sold the alcohol did not knowingly sell to someone who was underage because Paul used his brother Buster's valid ID. But Tinsley argues that the clerk did not do her due diligence in checking to see that the person before her matched the ID.
The policies specifically indicate how much training she's going to receive, and there are blanks in her personnel file for those things to be filled in. When the training was achieved, who supervised it, none of that's in her personnel file. It's absent from that.
Judge Hall did not rule on this motion today. He says he expects to have a decision before May 26th. Reporting in Lexington, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.